Experiencing a black screen on your Lenovo computer, whether a dim display or no picture at all, can be frustrating. This issue typically stems from either hardware or software failures. Common causes include faulty LCD or LED panels, outdated graphics drivers, corrupted operating system files, or BIOS glitches. This video will guide you through diagnosing and resolving these problems with practical solutions to get your Lenovo back up and running. Before diving into complex solutions, try a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This can resolve temporary glitches. Next, connect your Lenovo to an external monitor. If you see an image on the external monitor, the problem likely lies with your laptop's display panel or connection. If the external monitor also shows a black screen, the issue is probably with your graphics card or software. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are frequent culprits behind black screen issues on Lenovo computers. These drivers control how your display works, and when they're not functioning properly, the screen can go black. To safely update drivers, first boot into safe mode. This starts Windows with minimal drivers and services, avoiding conflicts that might cause crashes. Press F8 or Shift F8 during startup to access the Advanced Boot Options menu. Once in safe mode, update your Intel or NVIDIA graphics drivers through Device Manager. Right-click on the display adapter and select Update Driver Software. This installs the latest drivers that fix compatibility issues and bugs. Additionally, use Lenovo Vantage, Lenovo's built-in diagnostic tool, to scan for hardware and software issues. This tool can identify problems and often automatically fix common issues like driver conflicts or system errors. If software solutions fail, hardware might be the issue. For laptops, reseat the RAM. Overheating can also cause black screens, so ensure your laptop's vents are clean and free of dust. Consider using monitoring software like HW Monitor to check your CPU and GPU temperatures. If you're comfortable, open the laptop and check ribbon cable connections to the display panel, but only if you have experience. A corrupted BIOS can cause black screens by failing to initialize hardware properly. Visit Lenovo's support website to find your model's BIOS update. Download and install the latest BIOS version, but ensure stable power during update. Caution: failed BIOS updates can brick your device. Backup data first. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic to check for RAM issues that may cause display problems. Access via Control Panel Administrative Tools. Choose to restart now or check Next Boot. Let's examine some real-world case studies to understand common Lenovo black screen issues and how they're typically resolved. In Lenovo Legion gaming laptops, black screens commonly occur after intense gaming sessions. This is usually caused by GPU throttling, where the graphics processor reduces performance to prevent overheating. Lenovo addresses this by releasing firmware and driver updates that improve thermal management. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon, a popular business laptop, has seen reports of dim displays after installing Windows updates. This stems from compatibility issues between the operating system and the laptop's firmware. Lenovo provides BIOS patches that fix these conflicts, restoring proper display brightness. IdeaPad gaming laptops have experienced backlight failures that result in dark or completely black screens. This hardware issue often requires component replacement. Lenovo's warranty program covers such failures, providing free repairs or replacements for affected units. These examples illustrate that Lenovo black screen issues are typically addressed through targeted updates or hardware support. The recurring theme is the importance of keeping your system updated to avoid and resolve display problems. Prevention is key to avoiding black screen issues on Lenovo laptops. Let's explore the essential maintenance steps you can take. Regularly update your drivers and BIOS. This prevents software bugs and conflicts that can cause display issues. Use Lenovo Vantage or Windows Update for this. Clean your laptop's cooling vents regularly. Overheating can damage components and lead to black screen problems. Use compressed air for safe cleaning. Avoid overclocking your GPU, particularly on gaming laptops. This can cause hardware instability and lead to black screen issues. Stick to factory settings. Install a reputable antivirus program. Malware can corrupt system files and cause display issues, including black screens. Choose well-known brands for protection. Following these preventative measures can greatly reduce your chances of encountering a black screen on your Lenovo laptop. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your Lenovo still displays a black screen, it's time to seek professional help. Contact Lenovo support or a qualified repair technician for expert assistance. Display repairs can cost between $150 and $250 on average, but it's often a worthwhile investment to get your device back in working order. Remember to back up your data regularly to avoid data loss during repairs. Professional help can restore your Lenovo device effectively.